Most of the people are facing Google App Crash on their Android device. If you too are facing similar problem, then in this video I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can fix this error. So the very first method is to go to your settings, move into apps. Here search for the application Google. Move into storage and cache. All you have to do is clear the cache of your Google. Click it here. After clearing the cache, it might fix the problem that you have been facing. If this doesn't fix the problem that you have been facing, then what you can do is clear the data of your Google. So click on Manage Space. At the bottom, the option of Clear All Data will be visible to you. Click on it. And then click on OK. After doing this, it might reduce the problem that you have been facing on Google. Now the another best method is to uninstall the update of your Google application. First of all, what you need to do is click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now you need to disable this app, so click on Disable. The Google Chrome has been disabled successfully. Now in order to uninstall the update of your Google Chrome, go to the Play Store and search for Google. Here you need to click on Uninstall. So the update of the Google has been uninstalled successfully. Now if you reboot your device and use this application, it will definitely run smoothly and you won't be facing any problem or face any error on your Google application. Well, this is it, and this was the 3 best steps on how to fix the problem that you have been facing on Google application. I hope you found this video informative. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on my next video.